Hey, lesson 8. Welcome to math. All right, we are going to do 415 estimating kind of stuff. All right, is the puzzle penguin ever right? No. So I'm going to let you do that one on your own. Now, the rest of these are very much like Monday's work. So you have two-step problems. So the math, not terrible, like the computation part of the math, but the understanding is where it's hard. So the bus has 14 passengers. When it stopped, 5 people got off. So 14 minus 5, and 8 people got on. How many people are riding the bus? So this one I would just work left to right. So I start with 14. I take away 5. So that would be 9. I do 9 plus 7. So there's 17 people. Now, some people, when they do this problem, they would start with 14. And they know they're taking off 5, but they're also adding 5 and 3 because they're adding 8. That way the 5s cross off, and then you would just do 14 plus 3. Either way, you'd get to 17 people. You can figure out your own shortcut. 416, 17, fairly well that. Now these, very much like it, I'll just do number 5 about because it's right next to the side here. So Annie took 8 photographs at home and 7 photographs at school. So 8 plus 7 equals 15. Amanda took 6 fewer photographs than Annie. So if Anna took 15, Amanda took 6 fewer. How many photographs did Amanda take? That would be 9 photos. So these get to be a little bigger numbers, but remember they're all multiple steps. So being that this is day 2, I'm only going to do that one. And 417. The IXLs I did, they match 4. Now this one is different in that it's asking, is it reasonable? So you're going to use rounding and mental math, and you're going to write yes or no if it's reasonable, and then have an equation that would show. So Chelsea's class collected cans of food for their local pantry. They collected 27 cans on Monday. So in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, we're answering if it's reasonable. So we're estimating, we're changing these, we're rounding them. 78 cans on Tuesday. So that would round up to 80. And then on Wednesday, they collected 50 cans. How many cans did the class collect on those 3 days? So 50 plus 30 is 80. So 80 and 80 is 160. They're giving you an answer of 158 cans. Is it reasonable? Yes. So there is my equation and my work right there. But definitely a reasonable answer. I'll do the last one too. So Mr. Lance bought 6 packages of paper cups. Each package had 20 cups. So this one, it's already kind of nice. So 6 packages, 20 in each package. 6 times 2 is 12. Tack on a 0, 120. So she's using 78 of the cups for the party. So I would say, well, using about 80 of them. How many cups did they have left? So I could just count up by 10. So 90, 100, 110, 120. So I end up with 40 cups. So 58 to me is not reasonable. So really my equation would be 6 times 20 minus 80. And I would do the 6 times 20 first, minus 80 if I wanted to write it all in one equation. So it's just thinking, is it reasonable? And that one's actually pretty far off. 18 cups is far off. All right, so just make sure you read them carefully. Don't go too fast, and you're going to be just fine. So we are not going to do 418. So you'll be doing the quiz and the